Just wanted to do a little video because I had these, get it around the right way, little bottles. They're so cute, aren't they, little bottles? I've got this one, which is Hotel Chocolat in French, or Hotel Chocolate, if you, from where I am. And then this one, although I don't think you can, you can see the label there. It depends on the light. I bought it because it was mermaid pink gin, and I love mermaids, or the concept, and I love pink and I love gin, so that seemed like a good combo. I actually bought it in two other colours as well because they look pretty, but I haven't felt like drinking them. But I didn't notice because the writing's quite small there underneath. That's from the Isle of Wight distillery, so I just looked that up because I am nosy. And what did I find out? That, I mean, it's a relatively recent innovation, I think 2014-ish, the guys. I can't remember their names, but you can Google it. And they take, sustainability seriously. They're using glass, trying to phase out plastics, but they also take some of the ingredients from Ventnor Botanical Gardens and something called Areton Valley. I was intrigued that Ventnor Botanical Gardens used to have a Royal National Chest hospital for respiratory diseases like tuberculosis. That would have been a huge thing. People sort of recuperated for a long time, recuperated or not, I guess, because there wasn't much treatment other than fresh air, but apparently lots of milk was dished out as part of the treatment, so that's interesting. The Hotel Chocolat dudes get their cocoa from St. Lucia, which explains why it's so tasty, right? And on the website it talks about how the ancient Mayans thought that chocolate was the food of the gods, which would explain why I love it so much, right? Because, if you're eating chocolate, you're closer to God. I mean, I literally don't need any more excuses to eat more chocolate. But the distillery thing made me think, in Plymouth we have the gin distillery, which is so old. I've been in there a few times and partaken in quite a lot of gin. 1793 that was established, but prior to that it was a monastery, and the Pilgrim Fathers stayed there the night before they set sail for America. I don't know why I said there. I know where they went, and it was also at one point a non-conformist meeting place. There was a lot of argy-bargy about religion back in the past. I don't know if you know about this, but Plymouth in particular has a lot of non-conformist meeting places, including we have a very old synagogue here, and they all got on very happily. Interesting facts.